All right, everyone, congratulations once again for those who have already joined this challenge. This is day 3 of our Binance Smart Chain meme coins buying challenge using dollar cost averaging to buy PHT and other meme coins. All right, so today we're going to be buying PHT and another meme coin. So make sure you always come back to this channel to watch the video update. Okay, so we are progressing, okay, step by step. We have started accumulating Binance Smart Chain meme coins. All right, and for those of you that have not joined, if you're interested, now is the time to jump in. Don't wait. Okay, don't hesitate, don't dull yourself. All right, so now before I buy any of those meme coins, there are some things that I need to tackle. Okay, because in the WhatsApp group, all right, some people made mention of PHT is not reflecting, like the dollar value is not reflecting. Okay, it's actually on Trust Wallet. For those using Trust Wallet, it will not reflect the dollar value. Okay, so what you're going to do is to go to Play Store or Apple Store, all right, and download OKX Wallet. Okay, so this is the PHT that I've gotten so far. You can see it's not showing the dollar value. So the solution to this is go to Play Store, all right, or Apple Store, search for OKX Wallet. Okay, so some of you will be like, I think OKX is no longer functioning in Nigeria. Yeah, it is the OKX exchange that is not functioning in Nigeria. But the OKX decentralized wallet, any country can use it. As in Nigeria, you can use it. So once you download it and install and open, at the top, you're going to see exchange and wallet. Click on wallet and click on I already had existing wallet. So import your wallet with your 12 words, your 12 seed phrase. All right. So if you want to get your 12 seed phrase, okay, let's go to Trust Wallet. Let me quickly create a new wallet for the sake of this. Right. So I'm going to create a new wallet right now. Add a wallet, create a new wallet, create. Yeah. So I'll skip. So now, in order for you to get your seed phrase or 12 words, I'll show you how to do that. And very important, you must make sure you back up your seed phrase manually and with the cloud. So I'm going to click on this now. So you go to the wallet. This is the wallet I just created now. Click on this 3 dots and click on, backup now. All right. So if you want to back up with cloud, you click backup now. Okay. So if I click this manual, okay, with this manual, you write it down or you save it on your notepad. All right. Very important. So this is the seed phrase. I don't know if it's going to show, okay, because it might be blank for security reason or purpose. So you're going to see the 12 words, write it down or copy it. There's not even an option to copy. You have to write it or type it out. All right. So once that is done, the next thing is to go and import it on OKX Wallet. All right. So go and import it on OKX Wallet. And then another thing that I need to tackle right now is this. The wiki card reflection. All right. As I told you guys earlier on, you are definitely going to be earning PHT for free just by hodling just by hodling PHT. You'll be earning wiki cards for free. All right. So I'll show you how to add the wiki card contract address. So all you just have to do is to go to CoinMarketCap or check the description box. I can add the WikiCat contract address there. All right. So you can go to Play Store or even Desk Screener, search for WKC. Okay, but it's safer to use CoinMarketCap. All right. Click on About, click on Contract, and click on the contract address. Okay. So just go to Trust Wallet or any of the wallets you're using, you click on the search icon. All right, then you paste. I've already added this. Okay, so if you paste it and it didn't show, you click on add token. All right, it will ask you to choose the, what's it called, the network. So you select BNB network. Let me use the new wallet we created as an instance. Okay, so this is the new wallet we created. So don't forget to click the search icon. Right, so you paste the contract address, and this is also applicable to every other token. So if you buy any token and it's not reflecting, you search for it, click on WKC. Okay, automatically WKC will even reflect. It's reflecting. So let's try and down. Let's try. Okay, let's try. Okay, there's a coin we are buying now. Okay, so we are buying this coin with this LS card with PHT for today. So let me add the contract address. I just want you guys to grab the point. Okay, paste. For those of you that this one is also there. All right, well, as I explained, let me explain it again. So once you paste this contract address and it's not showing, it will tell you to add token. The same thing on MetaMask, on OKX wallet, or any other wallet. So once you let's go to OKX. If it is on OKX, all you just have to do is click here. You click this place, then you paste. It's also showing. So you click plus sign. So, but if it is not showing the token itself, you click on add token. You select the network. All right. After selecting the network, all right, it will definitely show you you paste the contract address, and it will show you the decimal and stuff like that, and you add. So after adding it, it will reflect. So now let's buy the LS card, then we'll buy PHT. So as you can see, the PHT we are buying is already giving us dividends. Like it's already paying us, it's already rewarding us with WikiCard. All right, so like this is a banger. This is all called freedom. Okay, like using one stone to kill two birds, having PHT, and you get rewarded with WikiCard. So now let's go to the screen now. Okay, so this is LS card, what we are buying now. Then after buying this, we are going to buy PHT. All right, so let's check the chart for this and see before we buy. Okay, so let's start from the monthly. Okay, from the monthly, this is bullish. As you can see, there is a break of structure to the upside, so LS card is still currently bullish. And with what I can see from daily and 4 hours, this is currently ranging. It's going sideways, up, down, up, down, up, down. So and once a coin or an asset is doing like this, okay, very soon it will break out. Okay, so it's either skyrockets like crazy, or it's dump, like it goes down. So but we don't really care about that, in the sense that we are not buying these things like with lump sum, with huge amount of money, this coin. So we are doing dollar cost averaging. So that's why you see most people that are really great investors, they don't panic when there is pump in the market, like when the market is crashing. You because they see it as an opportunity to add to their bag, to add to their portfolio, right? And that's exactly what we are doing now. So this one here too has been created over 1 year ago. So let's copy the contract address again. Click here, or you click here. All right, so let's go to OKX. Then let's click on BNB. Then we'll click on swap. It's loading. Then we'll click on the USDT, and we'll paste. Right, boom. So 0.0012. That'll give us 0.002. Swap. Understand? Confirm. So, guys, I want you to know it doesn't really matter if, we are buying with $1, $2, okay? So, because this meme coins has great potential, okay? By the time it skyrockets, even $1 investment can turn to $100. Yes. So, as you can see, we've already bought the light speed, and if you click on chart and transaction, you see, the $1 plus that I bought is being recorded on the blockchain. Now we have 7 buyers. It was 6 buyers. All right. So now, I said something yesterday that we must work for our bag. And another incredible thing is, as we are buying these things daily, we are actually we'll be increasing the buyers every day. Okay, so there will be nothing like zero buyer. If, like, example, like the PHT now. Okay, so now let's go buy some PHT. All right, so PHT, I'm gonna click on swap. So, and as I said yesterday, PHT is currently at support level now. Okay, and not just support, a major support level. So it could skyrocket like crazy anytime soon. So, but let's not worry about that. Let's just keep doing what we're doing. All right. So buy with 0.0063. Oh, 0.63. And I hope you guys noticed BNB is actually skyrocketing. Okay, BNB price it's about to hit $1,000. All right, so if this happens, a lot can actually happen. Okay, because some people already bought when BNB was around $100, when it was around $300, when it was around $600. Some might decide to take their profit, and some of this profit will eventually, be used to buy some of these meme coins. All right, so we've bought another PHT today, so congratulations to us. Okay, just keep buying like this every day. All right, let's keep it up. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. I really hope you found this video helpful. So like play, we've accumulated like 4 meme coins. 4 meme coins: BNB, Lion, BTC Dragon, LS Cat, and PHT. All right. So our major focus is PHT because of the wiki counts we are getting. All right. So and the supply is really limited, honestly. So we should even be, afraid, the price could skyrocket massively and won't be able to buy with, buy as much as we wanted to buy. But a step at a time, little by little, poco a poco, gradually. Let's just keep going. All right, let's keep going. So that's just it. All right, So until next time, guys, peace out.